What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to day 12, aka the last day of my 12 days of Christmas 2020. I can't believe we're here already. While I will miss the rush of having a video up every day, child, I'm tired. Not even going to lie. It is literally the day before this video airs that I'm recording this, i.e. the 11th, and I high-key just want to go to bed. I don't see how people vlog every day for Vlogmas or just in general. And my videos aren't even vlogs in real time. They are pre-recorded and I'm still winded. Anyway, let's talk about this beauty I'm making right here. This delicious, delectable, decadent, delightful. Would you like me to keep going? I didn't think so. So it's a cheese board. Others may call it a grazing board or a charcuterie board. By the way, it's French for a store where cooked meat is sold, and it's pronounced charcuterie, but since there's no meat on here, it's a cheese board. So I got everything from Target and or Publix as usual. First, I put saran wrap over that chopping board because I don't know about y'all, but I don't want splinters in my cheese or salmon. And then I started laying out the crackers first, in the shape of a Y, of course, because it's the first letter of my first name. And secondly, just realized how small that board is. So I was just trying to be creative with my space. And it worked out because I had 3 types of cheeses, 1 type of cheese per line. I featured the pack of cheese I'm using in my Publix grocery haul from November. It is linked down below. Next, the peanut butter for my apple slices. And then my favorite Chobani flip cup yogurt, salted caramel. Then my blueberries and grapes. Then my smoked salmon, up top away from my fruit. I was most excited about the salmon than any other thing on this board. Lastly, my boiled eggs. And it just wouldn't be right if I didn't sprinkle some Old Bay powder on it. I now see why people don't typically put apple slices on your cheese board. They dry up and change color fast. Other than that, I like how it turned out. And that's a wrap. Last episode of 12 Days of Christmas. It's been fun, but I gotta go eat because I am so hungry. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday for our regular scheduled programming.